Having a messenger bot allows you to build trust with prospective new customers. You can build up a list of bot subscribers who you can stay in contact with, and you stay in the front of mind with repeat customers and follow up with all of them automatically. So you're going to see an example of building trust. Hi, Nico, do you have any questions we can help answer before you sign up today? So here you can see we can actually go and build trust, right? Do you have any questions before you sign up today? We can show the right message at the right time, whether someone wants to see testimonials, frequently asked questions, or speak to a human. They can get their questions answered instantly, and you let them tell you how they want to interact, right? And the great thing is that you can go and build up a massive list of subscribers very quickly with messenger bots. Think of it like email marketing or like an email list, but way more responsive. We're talking way higher open rates and click-through rates than you're ever going to see with email. And it operates very much like email. You can send out broadcasts to your email list. You can also send out broadcasts to your subscribers on your messenger bot list. You can inform them of new offers and sales. Now, this has to be done within reason. There are some rules that need to be aware of, but as long as you're compliant, you can totally do this. You can also inform them of new content when you have content coming out. If you use content marketing at all, you will love this content marketing strategy. You can gain useful and actionable feedback about your audience. I'd like to know different ways that I can serve you. Would you rather have 5 lessons dripped out over 1 per day for 5 days, or would you rather get all 5 lessons right now? There you go. 63% of the people want all the lessons right now, so why not give people what they want? But the great thing is you can get this kind of instant feedback using a messenger bot. So you can gain useful and actionable feedback about your audience. Here you can see an example from this 5-day course. People were asked, would you rather have the lessons dripped out 1 lesson per day over 5 days, or do you want all the lessons right now? And 63% of the people, I was able to discover that 63% of the people, more people than not, want all 5 lessons at once. So here's the thing, when you put all of this together, bots help us make sales and increase revenue for our business. In one case study, you can see they did $10,000 in sales in 24 hours for a furniture store just by using a messenger bot. Lawrence connected up a bot to his Facebook page, to a post that was on that page, and let the bot do the selling, which turned into $10K in sales in less than 24 hours. In the second example, it brought in more customer walk-ins to a local supplement store. Austin set up a chatbot messenger for his customer, and the results were huge. In the span of 1 week, they got 120 bot subscribers, 20 people walked to the store to use a coupon, and they got 20 5-star reviews added to their Facebook page. Another case study was a children's clothing store using messenger bots. This resulted in them making sales and getting bot subscribers for free just by doing a giveaway. They did a simple contest where they were going to pick the winner, and ultimately they had a ton of engagement. 226 comments, over 4,000 views, and their post reached 10,217 people. Even Facebook said this page is performing better than 95% of the other posts on your page. Now the great thing is you can let customers tell you when they're ready to buy. You can create powerful, personalized, one-to-many conversations.